The nation's para-athletes should soon have a freshly renovated facility to prepare for upcoming assignments, with work now underway to improve the facilities at the Sir John Golding Rehabilitation Center. Jordan Fort reports.
The nation's para-athletes have done well on the world stage, but have longed for improved facilities at which to train for international assignments. That dream is now closer to becoming a reality, thanks to a collaboration between Surgics Jamaica Limited and the Jamaica Paralympic Association. Surgics Managing Director Winfield Boban gave details of the project.
And we are doing some work on the pool, providing a covered area. We are rehabbing some of the exercise equipment, changing out windows, lighting, ventilation, wheelchair access, and safety for patients and the athletes. So it is a joint venture, joint collaboration, if you will.
Secretary General of the Jamaica Paralympic Association, Suzanne Harris Henry, says this will not only boost the para-athletes physically, but will be a morale booster as well.
Well, certainly what this does for Jamaica is that we have a world-class, or we're working towards having a world-class facility that our athletes can train and just to be on par, because one of the challenges that we've had in the past is that, they've not had all the requisite equipment for training, and certainly even the wheelchair roller that we got recently, they've not had this. This is the first we're having this. So our athletes will now have a facility, a physical facility that's nicely aerated and with proper lighting to training and to have the proper equipment and that are functioning.
And the Jamaica Paralympic Association President Christopher Samuda says the renovation will also help the association bring in revenue.
And we have always felt that the clubhouse must be a hub for activity for para-athletes and Paralympians. And also we are making an effort to commercialize the club as well as the swimming pool. Those are two earning assets that are very critical to the bottom line of the Paralympic Association. And therefore we are looking to enhance the facility to ensure that it meets certain standard requirements, so that we can at least have the public use the facilities, use them comfortably, and use them in a very safe environment.
The nation's Paralympians now have their attentions firmly fixed on preparation for the postponed Tokyo Paralympic Games next year. Jordan Fort, TVJ Sports.